Looking for a beautiful and creative puzzle? Check out these wooden jigsaw puzzles. These aren't your average puzzles. The pieces are shaped like animals and objects, making the puzzles even more interesting and fun to solve. Each puzzle has vibrant, detailed designs like a majestic dragon or a colorful cat family. The difficulty levels vary so you can pick the perfect one for you. The unique shapes and bright colors will keep you engaged and focused as you put each piece in its place. It's a great way to relax and exercise your brain. Find the perfect wooden puzzle for yourself by checking the link in the description.